Last time I had done till question number 30 of your taking it together. Today I'll do till 50, 52, and then on Friday we'll finish it off. Okay. Hello. Can you all hear me? Correct?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So can you see the slide also? 31st
Yes,
slide.
sure.
Okay, fine. We start with the questions. Question says, a coin is placed on a rotating turntable. So there is a turntable. And a coin is placed here. Okay. Which is placed at a distance of 9 cm from the center. So let the radius be r. That is 9 centimeter. Can I say it is revolving in a circle? Okay. If the angular speed is tripled, so initially omega 1 was omega, and finally omega 2 has become 3 omega. The distance from the center will become how much now? So can I say R1 is 9 centimeter? They are asking you how much is the value of R2. Achha, can anyone tell me when coin is placed on a rotating turntable, who is providing the necessary centripetal force for revolution? Please tell me. Hello. Please reply. Okay. This coin co, who is providing the necessary centripetal force? Yes, sir.
Friction.
Friction will provide the necessary centripetal force. So friction is providing centripetal force, that is m omega square r. But I can say friction is constant now. What is the value of friction, beta? Mu s n, which is m omega square r. But what is n equal to? Mg. But this all is a constant. Can I say mu s is a constant, g is a constant? So if mu s is a constant, g is also a constant. Can I say omega square r is nothing but a constant? So can I say omega square will be inverse to r? So omega 1 upon omega 2 the whole square will become r2 by r1. Omega 1 is omega. Omega 2 is thrice omega. R2 I don't know. R1 is 9. Square 9. How much is the answer? Hello. Beta, yes or no? Hello. Getting enough? Are you all understanding what's happening?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question number 32. A circular disk of radius r is rotating with point O with an uniform angular velocity omega, as shown on the figure. The magnitude of relative velocity of A with respect to B. So they are telling you there is a disk which is rotating with an angular speed of omega. So there is one point A. Its velocity V. And there's another point B. Its velocity is also V because they are going with constant omega. It is UCM. Let the angle between them be theta. Angle between them is theta. I want to find velocity of A with respect to B. That is VA minus VB. Indirectly, he is asking you delta V. Have I done the formula for delta V shortcut formula last time? Hello. Delta V
Yes,
का
sir.
formula. Yeah, what is the formula, beta? Can you please reply? It is 2V sin theta by
2v sin theta by 2.
this. We had done it proof last time. आपको मैंने कहा था. अच्छा, what is V equal to R omega? This V is nothing but R omega. So sin theta by 2. So this is actually a standard result. This both. And you can get the resultant answer in this case. Getting enough? Hello. थोड़ा reply करो बेटा अभी. This is the last second last lecture now. ठीक है ना? So this is important. Proof I had done it last time. Please refer to the proof and get the answer. Okay. As I told you, do it 2 times, 3 times और आपको याद ही हो जाएगा ये. Once you learn it, it is done. Work is done only. We'll come to 34th question. This is general formula question. An automobile enters a turn radius r. If the road is banked at 45-degree, coefficient of friction is mu is 1. The maximum speed on a banked road. Can anyone tell me the formula for maximum speed on a banked road? Formula. Come on. You know it. Come on, the big formula.
Root RG into tan theta plus mu s upon 1 minus mu s tan theta.
Tan theta plus mu s upon 1 minus mu s into tan theta. We'll put the value. R is R. G is G. Tan 45 is 1. Mu s is also 1. This will be 1 minus 1. I need minimum speed or maximum speed? What are they asking you? I'm very sorry.
Minimum speed.
Minimum. I have read it wrong. Minimum speed. क्या modification है formula में?
The minus and plus sign will get reversed.
It reversed. Okay. This will be minus and this will be plus. So this will be minus and this will be 1 plus 1. But obviously answer in the numerator has become 0. So we minimum 0. देखो ना 1 minus 1 0 हो गया ना. Hello. Yes or no? So this is minimum speed, not maximum speed. Minimum. Okay. So that also we have learned. Next question is very important. Next question 35. Mark करना उसको, very important. A mass is attached to the length of the string L, length L, which is tied to a fixed point O. The mass is released from initial horizontal position below the point O. At what minimum distance a peg should be placed? Peg is like a nail. Peg. There's a peg over here. It's like a nail. So that the mass turns about the peg and can describe a vertical circle. I'll make it a little below. देखो actually क्या हो रहा है? ये distance पर suppose हमने एक peg लगा दिया. Point P पर. ध्यान देना क्या हो. देखो. Can I say when this comes down? Listen to me. Everyone just pay attention. When this comes down, can I say this string will become horizontal? Baba, tell me. Hello. Yes or no? Now about this peg, but what will happen, you know? Can I say this nail will stop this string? So now this string will become how much? Only this much? Hello? Arey bhai, yes or no? And can I say now this string has to revolve in which circle? Hello? Getting it about this peg? Getting it or not?
Yes, sir.
अरे कुछ समझ में आ रहा है क्या आप लोग को? यस और नो? हेलो? यस और नो बेटा? डिड यू गेट इट?
Yes, sir.
दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। अभी इधर ध्यान देना सब लोग, इधर पे मेरी बात सुना। कैन आई से द लेंथ ऑफ द स्ट्रिंग इज L? Let the length of the string be L. So can anyone tell me how much will be the velocity when it comes here?
√2gl.
ये तो एकदम सबको मालूम है। हेलो, डू यू एग्री विथ मी? हेलो यार, पोटेंशियल एनर्जी इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू काइनेटिक एनर्जी ना? यस और नो? यस और नो? यस और नो? हेलो? कैन आई टेक दिस डिस्टेंस एज r? कैन आई टेक दिस डिस्टेंस एज r? कैन आई से फॉर रिवॉल्विंग इन अ वर्टिकल सर्कल, how much should be the minimum speed at the bottom so that it revolves in vertical circle?
Under root 5 RG.
Under root, bolo bolo sahi hai, under root 5 rg. That means this should also be under root 5 rg, because it is condition is getting satisfied. Yes or no? Hello, 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 ana bolo beta, correct hai kya? So this is, can I say this should become equal to this minimum? That means under root 2gl should become equal to under root 5 rg. So 2gl is 5 rg, g and g cancel, so r will become 2 by 5 r, 2 nahi, l. Yes or no? Hello, hello, hello. It is
Yes.
0.4 l. This is r is 0.4 l. मतलब can I say this is 0.4 l? मगर हमको ये नहीं पूछा है, क्वेश्चन में आपको पूछा है पॉइंट O के नीचे कितना है पेग, तो इनडायरेक्टली दे आस्किंग यू दिस डिस्टेंस। कैन एनीवन टेल मी दिस डिस्टेंस कितना रहेगा?
L minus R.
L minus 0.6 L. So how much is L minus 0.6 0.4 L? कितना रहेगा बेटा? 0.6 L ना? हेलो, टोटल L है ना?
Yes, sir.
So 0.4 है तो ये 0.6 रहेगा। 0.6 मतलब क्या? 3 by 5? हेलो हेलो हेलो, डिड यू गेट इट? बेटा हाँ ना बोलो, करेक्ट है ना? क्लियर? ओके फाइन। So this is a very important question, that is the 35th question. It's a very nice question. Okay, I'll do 36th. I feel like doing everything, but कुछ आपके लिए तो I have to leave ना. A stone is rotated in a vertical circle. Speed at the bottom is under root 8 rg. What is the ratio of tension at the bottom and the top? इधर ध्यान देना. Can anyone tell me what is tension का general formula? यार याद है? mv square by r plus mg cos theta. Hello, in a vertical circle, tension at any random point p at an angle theta, याद है ना? It was mg cos theta, and centrifugal force was mv square by r. Do you agree with me? So tension at any random point p was this formula. याद है? Hello.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, कैन एनीवन टेल मी बॉटम मोस्ट पॉइंट पर थीटा कितना रहेगा? बॉटम मोस्ट पॉइंट पर थीटा कितना रहेगा? जल्दी बोलो भाई, बॉटम मोस्ट पॉइंट पर थीटा कितना है? 0 है ना?
0.
एंड यहाँ पर थीटा कितना है टॉप मोस्ट पॉइंट पर?
180.
180. I'll put it over here. Can I say tension at the bottom most point will be mv square by r का वैसे ही वैसे plus mg cos 0. Cos 0 becomes 1. Yes or no? Yes or no? Can anyone tell me what is tension at the topmost point? Tension at the topmost point will become what? Come on, man. mv square by r plus mg cos 180. Cos 180 कितना होता है? -1. Yes or no? हेलो हेलो हेलो। अच्छा, v का वैल्यू कितना है बॉटम पर? बॉटम पर v का वैल्यू कितना है बाबा? 8 rg, and this is v bottom and this is v top. So can anyone tell me what is tension at the bottom का formula? m vb is अंडर रूट 8 rg का स्क्वायर करेंगे तो 8 rg अपॉन r प्लस mg, तो 8 mg प्लस mg कितना हो जाएगा? 9 mg. So tension at this point is 9 mg. Acha, remember one concept I have given you, that what is the tension difference in the tension at the bottom and the top? Difference in the
6
tension,
mg.
6 mg.
ये constant है. Difference in the tension at the bottom and the top will become 6 mg. This is standard result. But I know tension at the bottom is 9 mg. Tension at the top कितना रहेगा? इस केस में कितना हो जाएगा? 3 mg. So what is tension at the bottom upon tension at the top is 9 mg upon 3 mg. That is 3:1. Top and the bottom पूछा है तो 1:3 हो जाएगा. Yes or no? Hello? Hello, hello, hello. Yes or no? बाबा ठीक है? Hello?
Yes.
Okay. So remember this thing. ये बहुत काम की चीज है. Tension at the bottom mv square by r plus mg. Tension at the top mv square by r minus mg. Tension at any random point p, general point mv square by r plus mg cos theta. Theta at the bottom 0, theta at the top 180, theta at this point 90. Okay, tension at the bottom इसमें value डालेंगे तो 9 mg आ गया. We also know one thing, that tension at the bottom minus tension at the top is 6 mg. ये standard है. तो इससे हमको tension at the top मिल गया and divide कर लिया तो हमको ratio मिल गया. Did you get it? Okay. It is very, very important to understand what is happening. Fine with it. Question number 37 पर आता है. 37. A string pendulum is horizontal. The mass of the bob attached is m. The string is released. The tension at the lowest position. इधर मेरी बात सुनना. यहां से यहां तक ये 90 डिग्री इसने ट्रेस किया. Can anyone tell me how much is this velocity? जल्दी जल्दी, हाँ सबको पता है कितना रहेगा velocity. चलो.
2gl.
अंडर रूट 2gl, ये कांस्टेंट है. अच्छा, ये टेंशन है, ये बॉटमोस्ट पॉइंट है. कैन एनीवन टेल मी व्हाट इज वर्टिकल सर्कल का टेंशन एट द बॉटमोस्ट पॉइंट? अभी सिखाया मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले, पीछे सिखाया था बेटा. टेंशन एट बॉटमोस्ट पॉइंट, स्टैंडर्ड फार्मूला.
mv square by r plus mg.
अभी सिखाया ना भाई. mg, या तो ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. टेंशन, दिस इज mg एंड सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स इज mv square by r. So tension ऊपर is equal to mv square by r plus mg. You can get the same answer. But can anyone tell me how much is the velocity at the bottom? Under root 2gl. So I'll put it over here. This will be 2gl. R is also L plus mg. So what will be the tension at the bottom? Arey bhai, am I going fast or what? This is just a revision of what we are doing. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? 3 mg. Correct hai? Acha, there is a short trick also. If you want, you can do it also by this. Tension at the bottom is mg 3 minus 2 cos theta. mg 3 minus 2 cos theta. ये standard result है. Tension at the bottom at any random theta. Can anyone tell me कौन से theta से I am leaving it? कौन से theta से I am leaving it? भाई इतना तो
90.
बोलो. 90. Cos 90 कितना होता है? 0. So theta is 90. Cos 90 will become 0. So tension at the bottommost point यहाँ पर will become 3 mg. Do you agree with me? Hello. ये short trick है. अगर आपको short trick नहीं समझता है, अगर आपको conventional, this is my normal conventional method, which I make two equations. एक equation ये है, दूसरा equation ये है, दोनों को solve करेंगे, ऐसे आ जाएगा. Getting it? Hello, hello, yes or no? Correct है ना? या तो कोई भी दूसरा थीटा दिया तो you can use the trick and you can get the resultant answer. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सम है, ध्यान रखिए, बार बार रिपीट करो ये सम्स को ताकि याद हो जाए आप लोग को. Okay, question number 39. 39. A small ball is being pushed from a height h along the smooth hemispherical ball of radius r. With what speed should the ball be pushed so that it just reaches the opposite end of the ball? Okay, so there is a ball. And this ball is initially at some height h from the bottom. I want to push it with some velocity so that it travels this path and just reaches where the just reaches. Whenever they tell you just reaches, मतलब इसका velocity कितना हो जाना चाहिए? Zero. Just reaches. And how much is the height where it is reaching? R, na? Do you agree with me?
Yes,
Hello? This is the same thing. Acha, can anyone tell me it is traveling under gravity? So it is a conservative force. Can I say total energy initial is equal to total energy final? Initial, and this is final. Can anyone tell me what is the total energy comprising in the initial case of? Come on. In the initial case, what is the total energy comprising of? Arey bhai, tell me potential energy plus kinetic energy is potential energy plus kinetic energy. Potential energy is mgh because I'm considering this as my datum reference. Datum means reference. Kinetic energy will become half mv square. Potential energy in the final position is mgr and kinetic energy is 0 because it is just reaching there. The word is just reaches. Final velocity is 0. Now we know the answer, man. What is m and m and m will cancel. So velocity when you reshuffle it is under root 2g r minus h. Did you get it? Did you get it? Hello? Hello, please tell me yes or no. Correct? Fine. Okay. Fine with it. I'm going to go to the next question, that is question number 40. Acha, this was done in work energy power only. You can do the sum. It is the same sum. Power is FV cos theta. The swing of the girl. Have we done the swing when the girl is standing? Remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
We had
sir.
done this sum. Okay. So you all have learned this, I think. Not a big deal. Question number 41. A simple pendulum of length L has maximum angular displacement theta. The maximum kinetic energy mass L. Okay. Look over here. Very simple sum it is. It is at an angular displacement theta. Can I say when it is left, it will come here, and at that point it will have maximum speed? Acha, chalo. Can anyone tell me how much is this height? Come on, man. You all know the stuff, huh, now? It is not a big deal. How much is this height, beta? Hey, please, come on. Alright, tell me.
L1 minus cos theta.
You should know this thing, huh? Can anyone tell me how much is the velocity reached over here? Under root.
2gh.
But h is L1 minus cos theta. Okay, so this is the maximum speed because this is the mean position. You have learned in oscillation that maximum speed will be maximum at the mean position. So can anyone tell me what is the kinetic energy over here? Half mv square? Hey man, please. No, we have made it so easy here. Half m. इसका square करेंगे तो 2gl 1 minus cos theta 2 cancel mgl 1 minus cos theta. Do you agree? Do you agree? Hello, yes or no? Correct. ठीक है? चलो बाबा चलो fast. Question number 42. Mark it very, 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 very important. Huh? Okay. So ध्यान देना अभी. This was asked in your CET also, MHCET. First it was being asked in the IIT, then CET, then dilute, and it has come to NEET level also. toy car is tied to end of the unstretched string of length A. So there is natural length of a string. String को मैं spring पकड़ता हूँ, चलेगा. And how much is the natural length? A. For your understanding, I am considering string to be a spring. When revolved in a horizontal circle of radius 2a. So it is revolved in a circle of radius 2a. So radius will become 2a. Can anyone tell me how much is the extension in the string now? Come on, please.
A.
A. What is extension denoted by which letter?
X.
X. Can I say X is 2a minus a, that is a, and it is revolving in a circle. ऐसे जा रहा है. बराबर है क्या? अच्छा, can anyone tell me, ये तो centrifugal force है यहाँ पर, m omega square r. Who provides the necessary, who is balancing inside? Can I say यहाँ पर कौन सा force आएगा अंदर?
Restoring force.
Kx. Hello, do you agree? Do you agree with me? Yes or no? Hello, yes or no? Correct है ना? So can I say Kx is balancing m omega square r? Okay, ये चीज, ये standard result है. Can I say in the first case, how much is x? It is a. How much is r? This is 2a. And they are telling you that the time period is t. पहले केस में time period कितना है? t है. This is case 1. बराबर है. अच्छा, case 2 में क्या हो रहा है? Now the toy car is speeded up until the horizontal circle radius becomes 3a. So can I say radius is 3a? Can anyone tell me how much is the extension now? Baba, tell me. How much is the natural length? A. How much is the radius in the second case? 3a. So extension कितना हो जाएगा? Hello? Hello? Please tell me. Did you understand this? Hello? But in the second case, the radius was 3a. The natural length is a. So the extension will become 2a. Please say yes or no. So I can go ahead, man. Please.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So they're asking what is the time period in the second case equal to how much? I don't know. Let it be t dash. So यहाँ पर t dash है. This is, let it be t dash. I don't know what is t dash. Okay. I know this formula, that kx is balancing m omega square r. Kx m omega, omega को लिख सकते हैं 2 pi by t the whole square into r. Can I say k of the spring is constant? This is constant. I'm just cancelling it. Mass is constant. 2 pi is a constant. So can I say x is proportional to 1 upon t square into r? So t square will be proportional to r by x. Can I write this as t1 upon t2 the whole square will be r1 upon r2 into x2 by x1? Can I say t1 is t, t2 is t dash, the whole square? What is r1? R1 is given as 2a upon 3a into x2 by x1. x2 is given as 2a upon a. It will become 4 by 3 t square by t dash square. So t dash square is going to become 3 by 4 of t square. So can I say t dash is going to become root 3 by 2 of t? Hello? Hello? Did you get this thing? Did you understand? भाई हाँ ना बोलो, correct है? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is very important. Anyone has some doubt in this question? Okay, no, fine. So, correct. Now we come to question number 45. Listen to me. So very nice question. Question number 45. Rest all are easy only, so I'm leaving it. You all can do that thing. Question number 45 we'll do. Three particles B and C, A, B, and C are moving in a circle of radius 1 by pi meter in an anti-clockwise direction with a speed 1 meter per second, 2.5 meter per second, and 2 meter per second. So respectively. So A is going with 2.5 meter per second, B is going with 2 meter per second, and C is going with no. It is, sorry, 1, 2.5, and 2. So it is 1, 2.5, and 2. Correct? Hai? The ratio of B and C, distance traveled by B and C at the instant where A, B, C meet for the first time. Now, suppose they meet here. Suppose they meet here. Hello. Can I say he will cover an angle theta A? This guy will cover an angle theta B. And this guy will cover an angle theta C. बराबर है क्या? This is where they meet. Hello. अरे भाई हाँ ना बोलो, correct है क्या? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
यही तो है. He is covering theta B, and this guy will cover theta C. They are asking you the distances traveled by B and C. तो डिस्टेंस तो नहीं है. मैं एक काम करता हूँ, थीटा बी बाई थीटा सी निकालता हूँ. बाद में हम लोग डिस्टेंस देख लेंगे. अच्छा, डू यू नो द फॉर्मूला फॉर थीटा इन टर्म्स ऑफ डिस्टेंस? आर्क डिस्टेंस. भाई मैथमेटिक्स टीचर मस्ट हैव टॉट यू ना. थीटा इज व्हाट सर? अरे यार टेल मी यार. थीटा इज एस बाय आर ना. हेलो. यस और नो? यस और नो? पापा टेल मी यार. यस और नो? It's correct, no? So this is distance traveled by B by distance traveled, because R and R will cancel. अच्छा, थीटा का फॉर्मूला क्या है बेटा? थीटा इज ओमेगा टी, ओमेगा बी टी, this is omega ct, and t is the same. T is the same because at time t they meet. So time for everyone is the same only. Time for collision. Can I say this will cancel? Can I say omega को लिख सकते हैं vp by r, v by r. This is vc by r. This and this will cancel, become vb by vc. And theta b by theta c is again, I told you, sb by r. So distance covered by b upon distance covered by c is vb by vc. What is vb? 2.5. And what is vc? That is 2. कितना हो गया भाई? 5 by 4. Did you get it? Did you get it? Yes or no? Fine. Okay, look carefully. Question number 47. A student whirls a stone in a horizontal circle, a radius 3 meter at a height of 8 meter above the ground. So he is having a stone in his hand, and he whirls the stone. Correct? Yes or no? This way, suppose. This way he is going. Correct. Radius कितना है इसका? 3 meter है. And at a height of how much? 8 meter above the ground level. The string breaks at the lowest point of the stone flies. Lowest point नहीं रहेगा because it is not a vertical circle. So यहाँ पर suppose string breaks. यहाँ पर जब वो आया तो string breaks. ऐसे आएगा ना horizontal circle में. So can I say the direction of velocity will be this way? And the string breaks. And when the string breaks, can anyone tell me which motion will it perform now? Hello? The stone will perform which motion? Come on, fast. Please.
Projectile
Motion, it will come down because it will be under another force. Tension तो चला गया ना, tension तो नहीं है अभी फिलहाल. So there is another force, that is gravitational force, and this is what is the magnitude of centripetal acceleration, and they are telling you that this horizontal distance covered is 20 meter. और आपको पूछ रहा है centripetal acceleration before breaking off कितना है. Centripetal acceleration is v square by r. तो पहले हम लोग प्रोजेक्टाइल मोशन की बात करते हैं. प्रोजेक्टाइल मोशन में कौन से फॉर्मूलाज लगते थे, याद है? Does anyone know? Hello, please tell me, man. Time is under root 2h by g. Time taken to fall down is under root 2h is 8 by g is 10. So this will be 16 by 10. That is root of 1.6. Hello? Yes or no? That is 1.28. This is time. We know one more formula. Sx is ux into t. Sx is 20. Ux I don't know. This is t is 1.28. So ux ka value I get it as 15.63. Can I say this is your ux? Now we have come from projectile to circular motion. And circular motion mein acceleration is v square by r. That is same vx square by r. That is 15.63 ka square. And by r is 3 meter. This answer will come 81 approximately meter per second square. We'll get the resultant answer. Hello, did you get it? So you can see how they combine projectile motion and circular motion very beautifully. You can get the resultant answer. Getting it now? Okay, fine. Now I start with 48, 49. 50 is very simple. We'll see. 48 question, very important. Again, mark it, very important. So we'll see what happens over here. A stone is tied to a string of length L, is whirled in a vertical circle with the other end of the string at the center. At a certain instant of time, the stone is at the lowest position and has speed u. Okay. The magnitude of change in velocity when it reaches the position when the string is horizontal. So it is rotating and reaching a point where the string is horizontal. Can I say let the speed over here be v? I want to find the change in velocity. Change in velocity, indirectly they are asking you v bar minus u bar. You cannot apply 2v sin theta by 2 because this is vertical circle. That formula was for horizontal circle. Did you understand? This is vertical circle. This is vertical circle. Okay. Can I say this is height L? Now, can anyone tell me which energy? This is initial point and this is final point. Which energy to which energy conversion? Can I say total energy initial is equal to total energy final? That is Ke plus Pe initial. So Ke plus Pe final. Ke is half mu square. Potential energy at the bottom I am considering 0. Kinetic energy will become half mv square and potential energy is mgl. Multiply by 2. So it will become u square is equal to v square plus 2gl. So v square will become u square minus 2gl. Are you all getting it? Hello? Please tell me yes or no. Correct? Fine. Now, what is the formula for vector v minus vector u? Come on, you all have to tell this formula to me. Yeah? What is the formula for vector v minus vector u? This formula. Yes, sir.
Under root v square plus u square. minus 2
2 UV
UV
into
cos theta.
what is the theta between them?
90.
Cos 90 is how much? Cos 90
0.
ये टर्म चला जाएगा भाई, थीटा इज 90. So v minus u, वेक्टर फॉर्मेट में इट इज अंडर रूट v स्क्वायर प्लस u स्क्वायर. v स्क्वायर इज दिस, देखो what is v square? u square minus 2gl plus u square, it become 2u square minus 2gl. तो कितना हो गया? यही तो हो गया. These all are important questions. 2 से 3 बार आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो ही आएगा. I to know the sum because I am practicing from the last 18 years. Hello. So don't practice, at least if you don't practice 3 to 4 times, you will not get the sum. You should get the hang of this question in the examination. You cannot solve over there. It should be solved in your mind initially. So the strategy will be such that you give the paper for namesake only. Okay, you have to solve everything within this year only. There only you will tick mark. अगर ये लेवल का आपका प्रैक्टिस है 2 से 3 बार, तो ही आपको नीट में अच्छे मार्क्स आएंगे. तो जाके सिर्फ टिक मार्क करके आना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 49. A ball is suspended by a thread, swings in a vertical plane, so that the acceleration is extreme position and the lowest position are equal. Now pay attention to me. There is a pendulum. Can I say this is the extreme position and this is the lowest position? ठीक है बेटा, एक्सट्रीम पोजीशन पे v कितना होता है? कम ऑन मैन, v कितना होता है? वेलोसिटी कितना होता है एक्सट्रीम पोजीशन पे? कम ऑन प्लीज यार, 0 होता है ना. So can I say there will be no centripetal acceleration because centripetal acceleration is v square by r. So over here it is 0 and tangential acceleration is g sin theta. आपको मालूम है ना, tangential acceleration यहाँ पे g sin theta होगा. So can I say what is the net acceleration at extreme position? Only g sin theta because centripetal is 0. And lowest position पे अगर हम बात करेंगे तो लोएस्ट पोजीशन पे एक्सेलरेशन सेंट्रीपिटल होगा बिकॉज वेलोसिटी तो होता ही है इसके पास. एक्सेलरेशन सेंट्रीपिटल होता है, दैट इज v स्क्वायर बाय r, बट टेंजेंशियल एक्सेलरेशन विल बिकम g sin 0, दैट इज 0. हेलो हेलो. एंड यू नो दैट वेलोसिटी इज कितना हो जाएगा? वेलोसिटी सबको मालूम है, अंडर रूट 2gh, बट h इज L1 माइनस कॉस थीटा. तो उसका स्क्वायर करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 2gl1 minus cos theta upon r is also L. So this and this will cancel. So 2g1 minus cos theta. These are all standard things which you should know. Now they are telling you in the question that the acceleration at the extreme position and the lowest position are equal. Matlab this acceleration and this acceleration are the same. Means tangential acceleration at the extreme position is equal to centripetal acceleration at the mean position. That is g sin theta is equal to centripetal acceleration. हमने ये निकाला, it is 2g 1 minus cos theta. G and g will cancel. Sin theta is equal to 2 minus 2 cos theta. Hello. Okay. No. I'll use my trigonometry. Rather than doing all that things. 2 1 minus cos theta. Do you know the formula for 1 minus cos theta? Come on, man. 1 minus cos theta, trigonometry.
2 sin square theta by 2.
Perfect. 2 sin square theta by 2. And do you know the formula for sin theta? Hello. Correct? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Can I cancel this 2 sine theta by 2? 2, 2. Sine theta by 2, 1 and sine theta by 2 other will cancel. So can I say sine theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2 is tan theta by 2? ये यहाँ से आ जाएगा, will become equal to half. So what will become? Theta by 2 will become tan inverse of half. So what is theta equal to, beta? 2 tan inverse of half. Bolo. Hello. Hello. Good question. Fine. Okay, you need to sit and practice this 2 to 3 times. Then only it will go in your head. So remember this thing. In a pendulum, simple pendulum, this is the acceleration present at the extreme position, and this is the acceleration present at the mean position. The explanation is very, very simple. You can get it. Now, okay. So one more question. And then next time on Friday, I'll be doing some 10 questions, because last ke 10 questions are cancelled only. Last ke 10 questions are cancelled. They're all JEE advanced level questions. So we need not do that. We can 50 to 60 sikhana hai mujhe Friday ko. A body of mass m hangs on one end of the string of length L, the other end which is fixed. It is given a horizontal velocity that the string would reach, making an angle of 60 degrees with the horizontal. The tension at the bottommost point. Can anyone tell me what is the shortcut tension at the bottom? अरे भाई अभी सिखाया मैंने. Tension at the bottommost point का shortcut क्या है?
mg3 minus
mg
3 minus 2 cos theta.
What is the theta का value?
60.
थीटा का वैल्यू 60 है ना, बिकॉज देखो क्या हो रहा है, 60 डिग्री से इट इज लेफ्ट, एंड देन व्हेन इट कम्स हियर यहाँ का टेंशन मांग रहा है. फिनिश ना. mg p minus 2 cos 60 होता है हाफ. This will be 1, p minus 1, that is 2. So what is the answer?
3 mg.
2 mg. Getting it? 3 minus 1 हो गया ना, 2 mg. Yes or no?
Yes, sir, yes.
ये सब शॉर्टकट्स आपको आना चाहिए, but you should know the conventional method. Okay? Because we cannot use only the shortcut. अगर कुछ दूसरा सम आ गया तो you can manipulate and get the resultant answer. Okay? Getting it now, beta? Hello? Fine. I'll do one more question, which is the 58 one. I have done that before also. 58 question in the theory part. I had done this thing. Last question. And we'll see. See, what are they telling you? There is an inclined plane and there's a circle. A block is released from here such that when it comes here, it goes in a circle. Remember, I had given you the example of Hot Wheels. Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
This was the height. And this was the radius. Can anyone tell me how much is the velocity over here? Come on, fast, 2 minutes. We want the answer. Fast, come on. Baba, tell me. Hello. When this block is left from a height h, how much is the velocity over here? Under root
5
2gh. 2gh. Baba, from here till here, it is under root 2gh. Yes or no? But this
Yes, sir.
velocity for revolving in a circle should be under root
5 rg.
Square both sides. You'll get 2gh is equal to 5 rg. So h is going to become 5 by 2r. That is 2.5 r. This is actually a standard result. And I told you that this height should be 2.5 r for the body should performing a horizontal circle. ये standard है. इसको याद ही कर लेना. Examination में ऐसे टाइप का सम जब भी दिखाई दिया, you just need to mark 2.5 r. Okay, so we have completed 95% of the chapter. Getting it now? Friday I'll complete whatever is left, at 10-12 sums which are left, and then we have completed circular motion. Monday say I can start with a new chapter, either rotational motion or system of particles. ठीक है ना? चलो, thank you very much. Bye. Take care.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Thank you so